sales and I'm passing by this Home Depot and I wanted to stop by and see what they have. I'm gonna be really picky about what I buy because you know, my collection is getting big, so I'm just looking for unique plants that I don't already have, or maybe just my favorites. Like if it's something that I really like, then I'll get. Look at that box, so cute. And then later on when I get home, I'll show you a few items that I got for the plants at yard sales. Look at the lizards. You know, lizards help us with bugs. That's why I like them. Okay, that's for these. You guys see before. These look new. They look fresh. They just came in, so they look pretty nice. You know, that looks like a mix of the Echeveria purpurea and like an aloe. It's funny. It looks a lot like it, but it's not. Oh, look at that. That's cool. I want to say these look recent. Like they just came in. You know what I haven't seen in a while is here, the Pearl Nuttenberg, but I normally would see it in the other side over there for $2.98 in better conditions than this one. I mean, it doesn't look too bad, but I've seen it nicer before. What is this called? This is Pachyphytum. Ow, I'm hurting myself. What is this? Succulent hybrid. This one looks like it's dying and it's a dusty rose. That sucks. I hope I find another one. I think it's a dusty rose. Looks like a dusty rose. Oh yes, look. They have a big one. Yeah, it's a rare dusty rose. That's nice. It's just, I'm unsure of it. It looks a little overwatered. Yeah, that's a $6 one. I would want to go with the $4 one if I can find it. Look at more Pearl Nuttenberg over there. There's a double header over there. That would be worth it. This is probably like $4.50. And let's see what we have here. See, look at that big one. What is that? Man, some of these are really big for the pots. I can't even pull it out. Let's see. It doesn't say. It needs a light. You see how it's all wide open like that? It's looking for light. That's cool. It's a crassula. Okay. Let me go to the section. Hold on, what is this? Okay, this is a Mystic Lilac. I have this at home. But it's like a crested one, I think, the one that I have. Oh, look at this funky, I think this is called something Bones. That's cool. It's a Euphorbia type, but I think it has like a bone name or something. I can't remember. Okay, and there's an Echeveria Chroma hybrid right there. There's the bear claws that I like, but I don't know. Bear paws, not claws, paws. Let me just go look first at the, see what they have for $2.98 over there, and then I'll come back here. How cute are these arrangements? I've always wanted one. I really like how just chubby and stuffed they look. I think I'm gonna get one. These are 4 plants for $10. It's not bad. And it's already made for you. It's so cute. which one to choose. Not that one. Okay, let me see. I like how the zebra plant. I really like this one too. Look at how pretty that is. Hold on, let me tip it because it's got some loose leaves on it. I love the color of that one. Like, what is that? What is that plant? I'm gonna have to get this one. I like this one. I like that one. I like a lot of them. I like those back there. I like all of them. They're so pretty. But I think I'm gonna go with this one. Even though, yeah, I'm mainly getting it for that hot pink looking one. Let's see if there's another one. I mean, some of them look like it. I'm just not sure. Oh, look. Let me see. That one's pretty too. Look how pretty that is. I'm not sure. Oh, that one over there looks really pretty. So hard to decide. Look at that. But it's got some black leaves, so I don't know. Oh, look at that. See? So mad. That's pretty. You get only 3 plants there, and that's $10. And this one you get 4. That's an agaboides. That's cute. Look at how big this one is. Hold on. Look at that one. How big it is. But I'm still being drawn to that one. I'm being drawn to this one. I think I'm gonna take this one. I found the $2.98 ones, but nothing that I want. And some of these other plants just don't look good at all. Oh, look, there's more plants over there. Look, there's more over here. Wow, look at that. That's pretty. These look super sad. I can't tell if they're burnt or just dry. I can't tell. Those look really bad. Let me look over here. Oh yeah, some of these look really sad. Look at that fluffy one right there. I wish I can take you all home and take care of you guys. So pretty. Yep. I guess I'm gonna go home and I'm just gonna go with this one, and then when I get home I'll show you guys the stuff that I got from the yard sale. Today's Sunday. I'm so sorry I didn't finish this video yesterday, but it's Sunday and I'm here. Wanted to show you some stuff that I picked up at yard sales. This chair, I got it for $2. I thought about putting plants in here. I can use chicken wire or some type of mesh to add to the bottom, and then just go ahead and add some plants. I'm gonna see how I figure that out. Once I do, I might make a video on it. These pots right here were free. The neighbor got them for me. She's so sweet. She's always giving me stuff. She knows I need pots. This I got for $1. I didn't get it for the bag. I got it for the cute little tools. I think they can be very useful. And then that pot was $4, totally worth it. And can you believe someone threw this out? My husband picked this up for me today on the way to church. I can't believe somebody threw away that huge pot. So pretty too. Here's my hand, here's the pot. It's a pretty big pot, really nice. So that's what I got at yard sales and free. Hey guys, so this is what I got at Home Depot. I couldn't resist, so cute. And then I went to Aldi's and I got these beauties. So I got this one. I can't stand them up. These do not have names. They're just yeah, they don't have names. So I don't know what the names are unless I do some Googling, right? Yeah, I don't think they have names. So $1.99. That's really good. So I got these, and the reason I got 2 of these is because I'm gonna make it part of the giveaway. In my last video that I shared, I talked about that I'm doing a giveaway for 500 likes. So I'm going to include this one, this big one right here. I am going to ship it just the way it is. I'm not going to water it. It should be just fine. It's going to be in my greenhouse for now until I reach 500 likes. And then whenever I pick out a winner from that video, then I'm just probably going to snip it like this and try to package it the best way I can and send it out like that. Guys, just a reminder, if you did like that video, the way I choose a winner is with a random thing that you do on the internet, and what it does is it looks at comments. So it takes all the comments and then it mixes them up and it chooses a random comment. So you do have to comment in the video, the other one, not this one. Any comment, it doesn't matter, an emoji, thumbs up, whatever it is you want to comment, as long as you comment, so that when I do go to choose a winner, you are included in that. So I have this beauty. This is some type of Orthia. It's really pretty. I don't know if it's supposed to be like this because they were all in a dark spot. They were not getting light. It's in Aldi's. They were not getting light. Then this one, it's really pretty. I'm sure it probably has like some type of ghost name or something. I'm not sure. And then the beautiful cactus. They're both the same. But I'm keeping that one and I'm giving away that one. So guys, thank you so much. Don't forget to go to that other video and give it likes and comment. And what I'll do is I'll link that video at the description box below in case you missed it. You could be a part of the giveaway. Thanks guys. Bye.